I felt that as a woman, I could understand the difficulties that other women faced. I had seen the discrimination in my own society as a young adult, and I was determined to reverse the centuries of discrimination. I remember when I used to tour with my father, only little boys used to come running after his car. But when I started campaigning, little girls would come running after my car. Their fathers would be holding them around their shoulders. Because I was a woman, it made it acceptable for them to bring their girls out into the society. So my example empowered other women to fight for jobs for themselves or to fight for promotions. I felt a big responsibility towards other women. I always feel that because I'm a woman, I should help other women. I feel that as a woman, that women should stand by women and women should help women.